What's up YouTube? How's it going? Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to reset the oil maintenance lights on the 2020 GX460. It's a little bit different from the previous model because the previous model allows you to hold down the odometer trip button and push your start button twice, and that should reset it. But this one is a little bit different. All you have to do is let's go ahead and push the start button twice. Right? All right, let's get out of this menu. So over here on the cluster display right here, just go ahead and back out of it with the back out arrow. All right. And you're gonna go ahead and arrow over, left or right, whichever way, until you find the gear. This gear right here. Go ahead and arrow down. Maybe it's a little too bright, you can't see it. Hold on one second. All right, hopefully this is a lot better. So let's just go ahead and arrow down until you see vehicle settings. Go ahead and push the little button right here on your steering wheel, which is the OK or command button. And what you want to do here is go to schedule maintenance, enter that, reset that, yes. All right, back out. And then to go to oil maintenance, go ahead and reset that too. And it's complete. There you have it. Simple as that. Now, if you find this video helpful, go ahead and smash that like button. Subscribe if you're not already subscribed to me. Go ahead and turn that bell notification on so you don't miss a video. Until then, you guys have a great day, and I'll catch you next time.